In the current version of Power BI by today, the Data Pane, previously known as the Fields Pane, displays columns by default in alphabetic or numeric order ascending. In most time, the order is different to the column order in the table and the table view. If we want the columns order in Data Pane are aligned with the columns order in table view, we may manually modify the existing column headers as a workaround. For example, either apply the alphabetic in ascending order or numerical in ascending order. In my video, we add numeric in ascending order in front of each column header under the target table. Then we see the modification automatically updated in all above-mentioned views without interruptions of the built relationship links.